Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the "your account is in a state of restricted withdrawal" error on Binance so you can access your funds safely. First, this restriction usually happens due to unusual activity, security concerns, or incomplete verification. Start by logging into your Binance account and checking notifications or alerts in the Security Center. Next, make sure your account is fully verified. Complete any pending KYC verification, confirm your email and phone number, and submit any requested identity documents. Also, check for unresolved disputes, pending transactions, or large withdrawals that may trigger temporary holds, and resolve them if needed. Avoid using VPN or public networks while accessing your account, as these can cause Binance to restrict withdrawals for security reasons. Finally, if the restriction remains, contact Binance support and provide all required details for a manual review to lift the withdrawal restriction. Subscribe the channel for more videos.